Do you say I have little money or say I have a little money? Careful, the meaning changes completely. Let's understand rules. Little means almost nothing. A little means some. The little means all that you have. Let's understand with some examples. I have little hope. મને બહુ થોડી આશા છે. I have a little hope. મને થોડી આશા છે. The little hope I had is gone. મારી પાસે જે થોડી આશા હતી તે હવે જતી રહી છે. So friends, remember, just add a and change the meaning. ફક્ત એ ઉમેરો અને અર્થ બદલો. Follow for more daily English grammar tips.